Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Shubham Rathod. Question is, how should I prepare for the essays that will come in the ZAT exam? So ZAT has reintroduced the essay writing in the examination. So understand first thing, essay writing will come only into picture once you get a call. If you don't get a call, then the essay will not be even read. So that means it will be only considered if you get a call and then the marks will be calculated. Then the first important thing is to clear the cutoffs. Only if you clear the cutoffs, essay writing will be important. Which doesn't mean you don't prepare for essay. Prepare, but don't waste too much time on it. So how do you go about preparing for the essay writing? I would say look at the general formats of writing an essay. I mean, go through it. I mean, there are many books, there are many topics of how to go about writing the essay. The introduction, the main point, saying for, saying against, conclusion. Just generally go into the format of how to go about writing the essay. Just understand that. Format is very important. Because the moment you have the format in place, you'll be able to put the content in that. Okay. Second step, try to look at what were the past essay topics in that. They're very vague. I mean, it's not that you cannot write it, but vague. Okay. So look at those topics and see how you could write, I mean, an essay on those topics. Just have a mental picture in terms of how will you structure that particular topics into a particular essay. How would you start the topic? How would you put the points for the topic? How would you put points for against the topic and conclusion? Try to build a general pattern of essay. Third, take a few topics and write an essay of your own. Maybe two or three essays will do so that you know how to go about writing the essay. So just take any topic randomly, maybe a couple of very random general topic, maybe a couple of topics, maybe on current issues, and write an essay. Again, start the introduction, start with points for or against, whichever way you're looking at it, and the conclusion, and write it. So once you are used to writing two or three essays, I'm sure you'll be able to write the essay in the examination. Its only thing is putting the content to the essay, right? So follow these steps. First step, look at the general pattern of writing the essay. Second, look at the past essays of that and think of how you structure if you want to write an essay on those topics. Third, take a couple of topics and write your essay on your own so that you have a feel of it. This would help you to prepare for the essay as far as that is concerned. Again, don't worry so much about essays. Focus more on the written examination. But do practice because it could make a difference once you get a call. A small difference, but a difference. Hope that helps. Thank you.